Warmwind released an AI operating system that automates repetitive work by learning how you do your job, then completing it independently every single day. Instead of needing complex code or API connections, you teach the AI by simply performing the task once while it watches your screen and listens to your explanation. The AI then converts your demonstration into an automated workflow that runs continuously in the cloud, even when your personal computer is completely powered off. This system can navigate between completely different software applications, reading emails, searching databases, extracting information, and composing responses without human intervention. Unlike general-purpose AI assistants, Warmwind's workers operate as specialized digital employees assigned to specific recurring responsibilities within your company. The fundamental difference from other agent platforms is that Warmwind designed this system specifically for business users, not software developers or engineers. Traditional automation requires every application to expose clean API connections, but most real company software never had this capability built in. Warmwind solves this problem by having its workers interact with software the exact way human employees do, using the visual interface with mouse and keyboard clicks. The company tested general-purpose language models and found 3 critical limitations: poor visual understanding, extreme slowness at single tasks, and prohibitively high computational costs. Processing a single mouse click using top-tier language models could take 30 to 60 seconds and cost thousands of euros per operating hour. Instead, Warmwind built a specialized system inspired by robotics and embodied AI, optimized specifically for visual interface interaction and repetitive business tasks. Teaching mode works by opening the application, performing the task step by step while explaining what you are doing, and letting the system build its own workflow plan. After learning your demonstration, the worker shows you its planned workflow steps, which you can review before scheduling it to run automatically at specific times. Once activated, the worker moves the cursor independently, navigates applications, searches databases, retrieves information, and processes tasks without any human guidance or interaction. The worker includes a progress indicator that shows how well it has learned the workflow, and you can supervise and interrupt it during early runs. As the worker processes more examples and handles additional cases over time, its accuracy and speed improve significantly through continuous learning and exposure. In customer support workflows, the worker opens incoming emails, understands the question, searches the customer database, retrieves relevant order information, and drafts appropriate responses. The system can ask for clarification when encountering missing information or unusual exceptions that fall outside the workflow it learned. Real-world performance remains uncertain because teaching one clean example differs significantly from handling hundreds of messy customer emails with varying requirements and exceptions. Warmwind positions itself as managed digital labor for companies, where business users teach the system their work instead of hiring developers to build custom automation. Each worker receives its own isolated cloud computer with dedicated applications, environment, and job responsibility, so multiple workers can operate independently and simultaneously. Workers don't compete for control of your personal laptop because they operate entirely in the cloud with their own separate virtual computing environment and resources. Warmwind supports document workflows that find files, download them, review content, organize information, and upload results to different systems automatically without interruption. Process workflows handle complete incoming requests from start to finish, moving information between applications and only notifying users when decisions or approvals are required. Monitoring workers repeatedly check websites, internal systems, or competitor information and report only when they detect meaningful changes or important updates occur. Lead qualification workers find prospects or candidates, enrich their information with research data, evaluate their fit, and route qualified leads forward automatically. The system handles invoice processing, customer request management, recruiting workflows, social media monitoring, competitor tracking, and any other repetitive office work users identify. The core value proposition is giving employees back hours each day by automating tedious tasks they currently perform manually without higher-level strategic value. Warmwind includes native integrations for common actions that are faster than relying entirely on visual screen interaction and clicking interface elements. The visual interaction layer provides a fallback when APIs are unavailable or don't exist, ensuring workers can still navigate legacy systems and outdated software. Scaling capability allows companies to expand from one worker, handling basic tasks, to hundreds or thousands of specialized workers, managing entire departmental workflows at scale. Each additional worker runs independently in the cloud, so capacity scaling doesn't require companies to purchase expensive new computer hardware or manage physical infrastructure. Security represents a primary concern when giving autonomous systems access to company email, financial records, customer data, passwords, and critical internal applications. Warmwind stores all user data on isolated servers located in Germany, with each user's environment completely separated from every other user's environment and data. The company includes a built-in password manager and claims their system was designed with enterprise security requirements from the beginning of development. Users can download their information locally and delete the cloud copy whenever they decide they no longer want data stored on remote servers. These security features should be treated as company claims rather than absolute guarantees, and serious security reviews are necessary before deploying autonomous systems on critical applications. The usability advantage separates Warmwind from existing agent platforms by designing the interface to feel like an appliance rather than a developer tool or programming environment. Creating a worker involves selecting it, installing necessary applications, and then teaching it the task through voice narration or text explanation while you demonstrate it. Voice input during teaching mode allows users to talk through task steps while performing them, making the system accessible to users without technical backgrounds. This simplicity represents the core product philosophy because many powerful agent systems already exist, but they require users to learn complex development processes and architecture. Warmwind's strategy depends on accountants showing workers how invoice processing happens rather than hiring developers and waiting for custom automation to be built. Support managers can teach the system directly how customer requests are handled, rather than describing the process to a developer who builds something that breaks after 6 weeks. Recruiters can show workers how applicants should be screened instead of waiting for technical teams to develop and maintain custom hiring automation systems. The most compelling aspect is whether this teaching system actually works across messy real-world workflows where exceptions constantly occur and situations rarely match training examples perfectly. If the teaching system succeeds with complex workflows, Warmwind becomes more than just another agent with a nice interface. It becomes a fundamentally different automation deployment method. Warmwind launches today, August 26, with access starting at €24 per week and capacity for 10,000 initial users. The free version will be extremely limited, but the paid tier includes the ability to run multiple workers simultaneously across different business processes and departments. Warmwind is now live and available at Warmwind.com, where users can sign up and begin creating their first automated worker immediately on the platform. The company published a comprehensive launch video on their YouTube channel that demonstrates the actual system running through complete workflows with real applications. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed of the latest videos.